first, get out of, turn your Outlook off. So just close Outlook down. Okay. Now then go to CRM. So pull CRM up. And before you log into it, copy that address up there at the top. Just click on it and right click it and copy it because we'll need that. Now then log into CRM. And at the top, there's the accelerator on that toolbar.
Okay.
And then on the right-hand side, accelerator, just click here to see it. And yeah, And it's going to look different. They've actually updated it. So it's got some little bit different features. It's a different look, but I kind of like it.
Right. All right.
And then, so right click and put that
Yeah.
URL that you, yep. And click next and install. And
That was
then,
easy.
yeah, it's pretty easy. Now then open up your Outlook. So it's adding that stuff, so it takes a little bit longer. So yeah, just click install. And yeah. So here you can kind of do the different, click get started. And you can adjust some of these things like your font size, which you couldn't do before.
Okay.
How many columns it lists.
Gotcha. Okay. I'm
Yeah.
sure there's an adjustment once we get in there too.
Yeah. And so you can close this, and at the top, if you click on CRM together in the middle of the screen, up in the blue toolbar where it says CRM together, click on that and click on settings. And here you click on preferences. And you can kind of change things. We usually tag the body of the email and not the subject when we're doing the tagging. So that's fine. You can open the task pane when Outlook starts. We've been keeping that turned off because it hops around. So you just turn it on when you need it.
Okay.
And just click close here. And then you'll have to click on the blue toolbar, click on home.
Gotcha.
And then you can click on accelerator.
Okay.
And so it's got a little bit different, but just click
Add connection.
click here. Yeah, click that plus button.
No.
And click connect. Yeah, you got to put your password in. I'm sorry. Yeah, password, username. Yeah, click open application. Right, that purple button in the middle. All right, so now it's searching for this thing from Atom Speed. It didn't recognize it. So just let's see. You got something from a customer. Is that Michael Dwayne from a customer? On the left there. Yeah, click on that. See if
So is this one.
Oh, okay. Click on that and see if it finds him. Okay. There we go. Okay. So it's working. All right, cool.